Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi, welcome. This is Chef Albert. How you doing today? I hope everything's going well. Great. Good. We're gonna make some breakfast again. This time we're gonna get some KTO friendly the dough for burritos and tacos and stuff like that. Okay, one of those things, tortilla, whatever it's called, and get some pepper jack cheese. I already split it in the middle. This is a large one, and we're gonna use I'm not promoting the company or anything, but I grew up on these, so let me get it to turn around. Okay, we got these kind. We use whatever kind you like, right? It's up to you. I'm not promoting anything. Yes, everything comes from Walmart because that's what we have here. It's inexpensive to go to. Okay, this would be 3 minutes, but when they activate the 3 minute on this account, this should be 3 minutes. All right, so it's going on a little longer. Okay, so I'm just waiting for that to be done. Today for breakfast, we made a smoothie, okay, and coffee. Coffee made in what kind of coffee? French vanilla coffee. Yeah. Okay. You get it at Walmart. Okay. It's another brand. It's cheaper. Walmart brand went up in price, so you gotta save money, right? This is all about saving money on a budget, right? And you want to save money. So, whatever coffee you like to get. Yeah, mine. I was like $5 and some cents. To be honest, I'm not spending a lot. Okay. All right. Give me a second here. Okay, since we're handling cooked meat, we're going to be using disposable gloves for handling meat. Okay? Okay, great. We're going to have more videos coming. Just stay tuned. Be patient. Hey, just subscribe to the channel, okay? Don't forget. Subscribe. All right? Okay, here we go. Alright. Hot dog. Now, some of you might like the hot dogs burnt. Some of you only like them crisp. Whichever way. I like them like this. Okay. I'm going to use Southwestern mustard. You can use any kind of mustard you want. Doesn't have to be Southwestern. We get this at Walmart. I know. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Okay, this is keto friendly bread. Oh, went over. This is what the hot dog looks like. This is keto friendly. What do you call it? Burrito. Next burritos, tortillas, whatever it is. Yeah, this kind of the doughy bread for that. Okay, alright. But this is keto friendly. So we have the hot dog inside and the cheese and the mustard. Okay. Okay. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Thumbs up. Comment. Thank you very much for watching. Okay. Until next time, bon appetit. Bye-bye.